Hey, all you guys and gals out there in the YouTube world. I just want to tell y'all thank y'all for the 1,000 subscribers. Guys, y'all are awesome. Thank y'all so much. Let's keep this channel growing. So I remember how I told y'all I was going to do something special for y'all. This is my son's Irritator. I had bought him, and I'm going to do a repaint on him. And this is the Irritator that I found on Google. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to base it off this guy. He's got almost like a blue, kind of like a bluish green. So I just started to just do it. I know it's been a while since I've done it. And what I'm using here is a acrylic gesso, Gesso. And of course what you do is you cover the dinosaur, all of it, as you see here. I covered pretty much everything. And here's another picture I did. Got some hair on my screen here. Sorry guys. And then also what I use is a watercolor set, and it's got so many different colors, and it actually makes it so much easier to use because all the different assortments. And there's some other colors up there that I had used. Deco art, kind of like a darkish green, and then a small, almost like a lightish gray. He does have that for his stripes. And I'm starting to use like not exactly a yellow, but kind of like a tannish yellow, just a little bit. I know on here on the screen pictures it makes it look a little bit different. I'm starting to use now that green, that watercolor green, just kind of coloring it first before I get a bit more into depth with that bluish green, kind of like a swampy green. Here's a different picture of him. I'm starting to really go in depth with him. I had to kind of like dab where the yellow meets the green, with that kind of little bit of a lightish green to make it look like it blends in with everything. And I'm starting to do the teeth. I'm starting to do his sail there. As y'all can see, right now it looks all messed up and crappy. But eventually I don't make my work look like that. And I'm also doing the inside of the mouth. I did the teeth with a gray, and I actually went back over it and had fixed it. I redid the teeth. I did the upper mouth. Everything's transitioning very well. And here's the finished product. I'm gonna leave his claws like a blackish gray, and the teeth I'm gonna leave them like that with a little bit of a tan. It looks white, but it's actually a tan. But y'all see it better in the pictures. And I'm starting to do his stripes on top of his sail, like in the picture. Then I did the eyeballs with a yellow I just got a toothpick and a black dot to give it that black deal. And I'm starting to put a sealant on it. And he is almost done. He's getting there. I had to do a few tweaks on him. So I got his box, and I put him inside the box so y'all can see how he looks. And the finished product. So what do y'all think? My Irritator on my new desk. He looks pretty good. As you see how I did the teeth, the mouth, the tongue, the tail. Pretty awesome, huh, guys? Well, I said the spot wise, I try to get it as close enough to the picture as I could, but yeah, I hope y'all like them. My son wanted to play with them. He came in earlier, and I said, I was like, not right now, Dada. Let Daddy make a video of it, and then I'll go ahead and give it to you after. But this is new painted Irritator from Jurassic World for my 1,000 subs, new desk, new display, rotating stand. Guys, stay tuned for some more videos. I love y'all, guys and gals out there. Keep it rolling. Keep the subs coming in, guys. We're only growing from here. New setup, new everything. Y'all stay safe out there doing this COVID crap. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.